Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Touchy Reactions.
Hey.
I have my amazing husband, Ryan.
I got my beautiful wife, Cindy, and we are doing our first ever unboxing. We finally got in the mail our copy of The Warning's new album, Keep Me Fed, and we are ready to open it. I already cut the tape for you so we can get inside of it.
All right.
Let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Ooh,
All
a
right.
tea. We got a tea.
All right, we got a Warning t-shirt.
It says The Warning Candle Tea.
Go ahead and open that up and see what it looks like.
Okay. It's black and white and pink.
I want to see it first before we show the camera. Okay, so it's got the new Warning logo and it's got
and
a
a candle.
Yes.
Oh, that is super cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
It's just my size. Okay, slay.
Tiny like my tiny lady. All right, what's next? What do you got next? There it is.
Oh, the LP.
There it is. Keep Me Fed.
I'm getting goosies just holding
What's the
it.
track list on the back? We haven't listened to all these songs because we're trying to react to them as they come out. So
6 Feet Deep is
Heard.
first. Sick.
Heard Sick.
Apologize.
We've not heard Apologize. Que Mas Quieres.
Que Me Quieres.
We've definitely heard that.
More.
More we've heard. So far only one we haven't heard. Escapism.
Escapism.
That's 2 we haven't heard.
Satisfied.
Satisfied we have not heard.
Burnt.
We've
Burnout.
heard Burnout.
Okay.
Sharks.
Sharks.
We have not heard Sharks.
Hell You Call It Dream.
Yep. We've heard that.
Consume.
We've not heard that.
And Automatic Sun. Yes.
All right, so there's 5 songs on this album we have not heard. So we'll make sure to get those reactions done as quickly as possible. Let's go ahead and open up the album and see what it looks like
Here, you open
inside.
it. I opened the shirt. You open the album.
All right, give me the knife.
I want the knife.
We'll be right back when the album is open.
Okay. This plastic sleeve is coming off. You can speed up this too if need be.
Yeah. All right, looks good. Looks beautiful. I was looking to see if maybe there were some autographs on it, but I don't think we got that lucky.
We did it. Let's open it up.
Let's see what's inside.
You just pull it out.
It's a sleeve.
Oh, shoes! Which girl is that?
It's got to be, I'm going to go with Pow.
The shoes, Pow.
Let's see what this poster looks like. Wow.
Wow.
Got this big poster.
You showed them before me.
Oh, I'm sorry. That'll look good in your office.
Those are Pow shoes. Oh, yes. I got to get that framed.
Lots of room to get this signed at some of the concerts that we don't have a VIP for. Oh, and look, we got it's all the tracks and all the
lyrics. Very
cool.
cool.
The other side has all the tracks and all the lyrics. Very cool.
I'm not going to take it out of here until I play it.
Come on, take it out of there.
No.
Show the peeps.
This is all you get. You can see it in my office as I put it on my record player.
We're gonna go over to Cindy's office, put it on the record player, and give it a little listen. The first song on there is 6 Feet Deep. So we'll get a piece of that. I don't want to get copyright hidden for this box opening, so we'll just play a little bit of it. All right. All right. Let's go to Cindy's office. Here we go. All right. Here we are in Cindy's office. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it. All right. She has her little she shed over here with all of her accoutrement the way she likes it, but she's got this record player back here in the corner that's been waiting for this album.
Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You see right here, this is Saturday, August 13th, 2022. This was, I think, the first concert I ever went to them.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Nice.
Amazing. Okay. I'm going to take my time because I don't want to ruin anything.
Let's see it. Black. Oh, the ones I saw them holding online were red. I thought it was going to be red. Black.
So this is side A and that's side B.
Okay.
6 Feet Deep is the one we're going to play.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, here it comes.
For copyright reasons, we're not going to play much more than that. But we're super excited, and we're super excited also to listen through the album once we've reviewed the songs we haven't seen yet. That's going to be it for this quick unboxing video. Cindy's happy, I'm happy, and you just got to be careful not to listen to songs you haven't heard yet until we get through them.
Yes.
We'll just have to do it in order so that you can have more and more to listen to each time.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button down below. It doesn't cost you anything. It makes us feel good when people like what we do over here. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Doesn't cost you anything. Makes us feel good. We're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. We're trying to get that silver play button. Thank you for everybody who's already subscribed.
Salma,
And after you subscribe, hit that bell up in the corner next to the subscribe, and it'll let you know anytime we drop some new content over here on the channel. We do a lot of warning reactions over here, so if you're a warning fan, you're going to want to check out our channel, and we have a huge back catalog, so go check that out as well. We also have a Patreon. Shout out to all the patrons who support the channel. We love you guys. Helps us get out to all these concerts live. And that is it for this video. Cindy, thank you for joining me. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
To the warning, congratulations on the new album. You guys are crushing it out there.
Slay, girl,
We're so
slay.
proud of you guys. And just keep doing what you're doing, and you're going to be the biggest thing since sliced bread. So we're very proud of you guys. That's it for this video. For anybody who stuck around here to the very end, we appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to come on back.
Bye. If you enjoyed that video, YouTube has an algorithm that knows everything you like and knows you like this.
Yeah, come check it out.
You know you wanna.